Hey, with so many online photography courses available, it's easy to think that you can learn everything that you need to know about photography by sitting in front of a computer screen. But is it that easy? Photography is an art form that requires a combination of technical knowledge, artistic talent, and practical experience. And while online photography courses can provide you with the basic technical knowledge, they lack the ability to teach you how to apply this knowledge effectively in real life scenarios. This means that you miss out on the valuable feedback and guidance that a professional photographer can provide, which can be critical in your growth as a photographer. In-person mentorship can provide you with hands-on experience, allowing you to practice and experiment with all sorts of different techniques under the guidance of an experienced professional. You also get the chance to meet other photographers, and you can learn from their experience too. Group learning is going to strengthen your skills and provide a community with common interests, adding value to classroom learning that goes way beyond the individual. Now, the key to getting better at photography is not just watching online courses. It's about getting out there in the field, experimenting, having a professional photographer provide you with some hands-on feedback and guidance, the necessary thing to help you reach your true potential. So if you're serious about photography, don't just rely on online courses. Seek out in-person experiences that can provide you with the feedback, direction, and guidance necessary to excel in your craft. Hey, I love photography and I want to spread the message to as many people as possible, which means I need to grow the channel. So if you could take a second to hit the like button, it would really help out. I can communicate with so many more photographers when we've got a bigger channel. Hey, thanks for taking the trouble to watch today. Enjoy your photography.